This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Google Sheets app and loading the spreadsheet you need. Tap any cell in the column you want to remove, then tap the column letter at the top or long press a cell to select the entire column. Once done, make sure the column is highlighted so actions apply only there. You do this because mobile selection controls differ from desktop. Selecting first prevents accidental deletion of other data and ensures the delete option appears in the menu. After selecting the column, tap the three-dot menu in the toolbar or swipe up from the selection controls to reveal more actions. From that contextual menu, choose Delete Column. This is the direct command that removes the selected column and shifts adjacent columns left. Make sure you read the option label before tapping, since similar actions like clear or hide appear nearby. If Sheets prompts you to confirm, accept to proceed. This prevents accidental loss. Once the column is deleted, you can immediately tap the undo arrow at the top to restore it, so work confidently but carefully. If delete didn't appear, try reselecting the column header or restart the app. Sometimes a pending update or a small UI glitch hides options. Also make sure you have a recent backup or use version history if something goes wrong. This is why saving and checking accounts sync before big changes matters, especially on mobile, where accidental taps are common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.